All right, the Octothorpe is like a pound sign. It's like a hashtag, but back in the day it was called an Octothorpe. So we're gonna go right of this first cone, but we're gonna do a 360 around this cone. Go to that cone, almost like a 720. Or I'm sorry, a 27, whatever it is, 270, and then boom, boom, boom. We're just doing a bunch of right-handed U-turns. You might get dizzy on this one, so let's familiarize ourselves with this one. So we're gonna go around. So we're gonna look, keep our head on a swivel. Friction zone. We're gonna look, chin on my shoulder. Now we're gonna shoot to this outside cone, chin on my shoulder, counterweight, make it a cone. Oh, I want to go out, but I can't. Nice little 360, and then now we can exit out. All right, 26.08. I like to go to the hundredths. Okay, thousands is a little bit much. All right, so 360. Around this, shoot to the outside, around that, go to this one, 360, and then when we're pointed out, we exit out. Here we go, 3, 2, and 1. This one we might have to take it slow. Friction zone, throttle control, see my counterweighting? I'm almost, I could just stay on my left butt cheek can just stay on the left side, like it's hanging off. Give it a little speed right here so I can make it around this turn pretty simple. My head is always on my right shoulder. And now we're exiting it out. 23.00. We're gonna go off to the bonus exercise. You guys don't even know about this until you get the booklet. This is called the zigzag.